Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Creating a New Journey. I'm going to take you along on my morning walk, and I'm going to show you some of the beautiful things of nature that I see along my walk. This is a bush that is just covered with these beautiful, huge flowers. So I hope you enjoy some of the things that I'll be sharing with you today on my morning walk. It's sort of humid, but I made a promise to myself that I will get out and walk every morning. Red seems to be the color this morning, but there's some tiny purple flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. They're so teeny. I planted this bush this summer. I can't wait till mine is huge like this. This actually has the lilac colored flowers, but it also has some white ones mixed in there, and they have more of a red center. It's really strange. Here's the lilac colored ones. They're beautiful. Here's the white. I don't know if they turn lilac after a while, but that's a white one. But you can see down here how they're sort of mixed. So it's sort of strange. There's like lilac and white. They consider this a weed where I live. It's called Queen's Lace. And I remember when I was out in Albuquerque, you could actually purchase this at your local plant store. And I knew somebody there that was from the same state that I'm living in now, which is Ohio. And they would say, we consider that a weed, and y'all have it here for sale. I think it's beautiful. You see this weed? It's actually edible. It's really good for you. They sell it now in the farmers markets or higher end grocery stores. The name is Purslane, if I'm saying it correctly. When I was a kid, my mother always had us go out to the yard and pick it because it grows wild. It's considered a weed. A lot of people kill it. And she would wash it, clean it, saute it with tomatoes and onions, and then she would make a pot of pinto beans and mix it together. It was delicious. And I loved this plant in salads. Even the weeds are beautiful. This is a weed growing here, but look at the color and the texture. This is neat. They have a tomato plant growing with their other flowers. That's a good use of space. They have some basil growing there too. This is all by their mailbox. I love all the colors of green in this flower bed or side bed. Isn't that beautiful? I keep using the word beautiful because it's so awesome what nature does. I love this vine creeping up this tree trunk. The two different colors, the white and the green, just contrast so nicely. What a splash of color. This is a neat tree. The leaves have a pink tint to them. Where you see the lighter color, it's usually a pink tint. The early part of June, it's really intensified. I don't know if you can see it. See how it has a pink tint? There's a large cluster of daisies here. When I see daisies, they always bring a smile to my face. It's a black squirrel. Isn't it neat? I love this garden. It's sort of unruly, but it reminds me of a magical place. The smell is just absolutely gorgeous. I think it's just all the different plants. So much to see. Right next door is this gorgeous side bed. It's just absolutely perfect. But this is still my favorite. This unruly garden. I feel like I'm walking through a magical place as I enter the garden. Nature never stops to amaze me. It can just grow anywhere. Here's the same bush, but not as big. Mine is even smaller than this one. But it's still beautiful every time I see the blooms. Well, I wish you a happy day. Take some time to be creative and exercise and eat one healthy meal. Remember, your mother always said, eat your greens. These were some of the plants that I saw along my morning walk. Take the time to smell the flowers. Have a great day.